In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods to Redmi Note 12. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting a set of AirPods, regardless of the model or the generation, to a Redmi Note 12 or any other device is extremely simple. This is going to be done over Bluetooth. So all that you have to do to set up this connection is to go into the Bluetooth settings of your Redmi Note 12 smartphone and make sure that it is enabled. So this is going to be the primary connection type. Once Bluetooth has been enabled, set up the AirPods. To put your AirPods into pairing mode, make sure that they are inside of the charging case and open the lid. Now locate the setup button. For this particular model that I'm using as an example, it is going to be at the back, but of course it could be elsewhere depending on the model that you are using. So all that you have to do now is press and hold this button until the status light, either inside of the case or in the front, starts flashing white. So press and hold this button until you see the LED flash. Once that happens, it indicates that pairing mode has been enabled. With your AirPods in pairing mode, while they are still inside of the case, all that you have to do is go over to the devices and you will find them listed here. So you will see a set of AirPods appear underneath the list as long as you are in close proximity, and you can choose to connect. Immediately upon choosing them, they will be used for audio output from your Redmi Note 12. This connection will be established forever, and every single subsequent time that you pull out the AirPods, they will automatically connect themselves to the Redmi Note 12. You won't have to manually repeat this every single time. And if they don't appear here for whatever reason, make sure that they aren't automatically connecting to other devices around the room, like your PC, a laptop, and other things that might have Bluetooth enabled. As long as you have it in close proximity of your device, it will appear on the list. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect AirPods to Redmi Note 12. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.